Oh my god, they're not dead now.
Recording.
Oh my god, this fucking cockpit is so nasty.
Oh, I see that one.
Bro, I tried to start up the jet. Oh
I
my
did
God.
too. I genuinely
went
did
to
too.
reach for the battery switch, bro. I was like, oh fuck, I forgot. Rice is a shitty developer.
So nasty.
I genuinely despise.
No.
Oh,
At least the
your
HUD.
canopy's
Bomb, you are a
true.
weird ass person, dude. You put your FCS page on the bottom, MFD, bro.
Oh, what?
What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Oh wait, no, I'm checked. I flipped them. I flipped them.
What?
Bomb, your canopy is glitched for me, by the way. So.
I don't care.
Yeah, you don't have to do the head shit. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Go ahead.
Boss up, Mike, come on.
Cross.
No, it's
Oh, fuck this, no.
Gator.
Boss up, you can come through.
Gator.
Luxy.
Take off checks.
Cross!
no. It's,
Wait, no.
Gator.
I want to kill myself. Check your smoke pressure. I'm checking. Check your heading. Norm. My heading is 264. Check I'm saying 2992 for crystal elevation. That's 0 feet. Check your barrel warning 0. Check your CS minus 12. 30, 30, 37 down. Check your fuel seats on myself.
Cross!
no, it's
Wait, no.
Gator.
Mercy.
Check your smoke pressure. Arm smoke on. Smoke off. Boss taxing out 0.5.
Somebody's going a little fast today.
Yeah, the only one without their helmet.
Do I care?
Yeah,
Actually, I will purposely run into you on the end, dude.
everyone else
Minority.
put their stuff on, man. Minority in the middle.
Hey, maybe it wasn't the best idea getting a pilot from Winter's team because he's so technical. Like, well, you know, over at the Winters team, we always got our helmets on.
Over at the Winters team.
I wish I gave
You know.
It's cut.
Bomb, look at me. What do I think about this? Bomb, look at me. What do I think about this training?
Hey, nice wheel spin bomb and nose wheel steering.
Like to get away.
What, is my nose halfway to the left?
No, it's just not steering,
Oh, cool. Don't care.
but everybody else's
Hey,
is.
Marksy.
What in the world? Hi,
What?
Nasa. Hello. Adding power 2% coming left.
Oh, we were 0.5.
I don't care.
Someone seems
I wanna
like
kill myself.
grumpy today.
I'm umpy grumpy because Rice can't fix the fucking weather.
Rice can't. Here, you want to know why I'm mad? Because Rice
Right.
is a shitty developer.
We're not going all the way right, Cross.
Shitty developer.
Can you unlock this server?
You can join. It's my private server. Come on.
Rice
Didn't
cannot
let me.
develop a
You should have
Oh.
access.
Should is the
Never mind,
key
it
word.
did.
bomb. You heard me, right? Rice cannot develop for shit.
No.
Rice is the equivalent developer.
I
and
hope
train.
all of you know he's gonna see this. Because
I do
Ross
not
is
care.
recording.
I really
No,
do not care.
None of us care. Hey, Rice, if you see this, you're shit at developing.
I don't care.
You're like
Shuggy,
royally
look
shit.
at our sky.
Oh, look at the sky! Look at the sky!
Low show anyone?
You know what we look like?
Oh my
We
god.
look like the NBA.
It looks like the fucking Twisters movie, dude.
It does.
Rice, if you see this, I just want you to know that the
Where are we
entire
flying?
team
Oklahoma?
thinks you are royally shit at developing.
that
Get
was
rid of the
you joining
weather in
us up,
here.
okay.
Give us our
Is it
quote-unquote
breaks-
imported cockpit and kill yourself, please and thank you.
Okay.
You know what? I'll say that later.
He's like power 2.5.
Adding power 3%.
He was
Hey,
thinking-
Cross, you need to shut up.
He's a brakes.
Yo, why is there a monster?
He's a
truck?
lawnmower brakes.
Why is there a monster
He's a
truck?
brakes.
Because we felt like leaving a monster truck there.
He's a brakes.
No,
brake.
Merksy felt like leaving them on.
Shiggy, don't forget markers.
Okay.
Oh, that's the least of my concerns right now. Thank you, Bomb.
Look at the sky. We'd be cut.
Jeez, dude, we're gonna have to do fucking.
Truman Show esque
We're
guy.
gonna have to do remote show takeoff, bro.
Hey, retards! I didn't even fucking touch the sky. I didn't.
Truman
Sorry, I didn't
Show-esque
touch.
guy,
I didn't touch the monster truck.
Yeah, I don't know who
SOL.
touched the monster truck.
that
nor do I
was
care.
me. I love touching the monster truck.
Alright, yeah,
You're
burn
all
his house
teaching
down.
minors.
Cross, when do you have to leave?
Like 5:56-ish.
Okay.
Maybe earlier, maybe later, I have no clue.
Bet. You told
Hey
me-
guys, the monster
Done.
truck's on.
Or no, you told me Cap was done for the rest of the year. My bad.
No, it is not
Using
done for the
power
rest of the year.
2%.
Is
No,
it
you said for the rest of
Ross,
last
what has
year.
Cap done for the rest of the
I'm an
year?
F.
Educating.
That's not what he asked.
That's not what I said.
Oh,
He asked when, and you said educating.
I
oh,
said, when is it done?
When? Like, when do
Adding
the
power
meetings get
2%.
done, or when is it like finished for the rest of the
When are you fucking done with Cap?
year? When I
When
feel
are you
like-
done where you don't have to leave on a random ass Monday?
I don't know, like national holidays, like President's Day.
Oh my god.
Oh god, we got like 2 of them on a Monday from now on. Ease and breaks 2%.
Hey, President's Day is like a random Monday in February, or something.
And
Guys,
I
guys,
don't
Alright.
have
I
a,
just-
I don't have a meeting.
actually, I'm
then.
gonna hold my back so back from saying that.
yeah, I'm probably flying that day, so yeah.
Hey guys, my birthday is Saturday.
Let's take over as boss, bro.
Yay! Birthday!
Who wants to take over as boss?
Bomb will spring back 86.
I'm down.
I'm down.
My birthday is next Saturday. I'm down.
That's
I'm
something.
down,
I
boy.
mean, that's something. I haven't seen you in like a year, dude.
The only thing we need. Actually, we could do it. Theoretically,
I'm
we
down.
could do it.
I
I'm
would
down.
come
I'm
back.
so down.
I would
Perfect
come
would have
back
to be
for
a
the
perfect would have to be a
1986.
solo, but we could do it.
Fuck
We,
no.
I would
we
come
can
back
spawn
for
an 86. I'm
1986.
so down.
Why the fuck would
The
Perfect
thought
be a
of
solo?
Perfect or
right?
one of you guys trying to develop that shitty landing gear for 86 actually makes me cringe.
You know what
Go
makes you
figure
cringe?
it
I would get on my computer more than 3 times a week for 86.
Hey guys, I have a great idea. Berksy, let's do Compton here today, okay?
No, how about you
No,
don't?
yeah.
No, I will. I will, as a matter of fact.
Yeah,
And there's
let's
nothing you're
actually
gonna do to
do
stop
that.
me, motherfucker.
Yeah, if you do that,
I make a
will
new
be
group
burning
chat.
it.
No. It's time to be
I
like
actually
the
don't care
Thunderbirds.
though. I genuinely don't care. Even though
Let's
you
see how
asked
it
me.
goes.
Ease and brakes 1%. Ease in the brakes. Brakes. Even though you want to know what's funny,
What?
Shuggy, you were the one that asked me to have a serious practice for once.
So, well. Oh, yeah, how are we gonna do a practice when we look like we're on the movie set of Twisters, bro?
Oh my god, dude.
Flat show.
Are we doing a flat show?
Yeah, bro, we're about to get fucking nuked by North Korea, dude. Look at the sky.
Nah,
Yeah.
it's like a wall. They can't hit us if we have a wall above our
Boss,
head.
those are curved takeoff.
Solo's ready to have a
Ready
low
to
show.
I was ready to go eat.
This is
in, like,
not a low
2
show,
minutes.
dog. This is a flat.
Okay, yeah, I'm not using this mouse. It's going. I can't do rolls and stuff with it. So,
Oh no.
Tog, we're on the ground.
City
You don't even
inward.
know.
check your markers and sun rays. Yeah, you don't even need to check your sun
It
rays.
does not. It does
Dad?
not.
Sun rays don't mean anything.
We have a slab of concrete above our head.
I want
That's
to.
why I probably terrified of her.
A slab of concrete above our head.
Boss, we're curved takeoff. The ones that come. Check your parking brake off. Check some chicken nose. We'll steering on. Whatever. Diamond enough squirrel cage on a low show. Left turn out.
Vending machine.
Nos.
Let's run them up. 55.
Why not? Close the fucking chat.
Gator, chicken flap flap pump on minor up. Gator, L0, 62, free barrel.
Shut up!
Where she pumps up stuff.
You're already pissing me off.
Miner up. 0 feet barrel. Yeah.
I love miners. I love miners.
You see,
That's on YouTube.
Yeah.
Bomb! How dare you!
Damn.
Alright, well, turns out
Ah!
that.
I am moving myself. Get yourself ready, and Diamond, let's go.
You're moving?
Actually, hold on, because I know I didn't. I can't close the fucking chat. I can't close the chat.
Yeah, no one can. Genius.
I can't.
We can't close the chat.
Yeah, it's tragic.
Rice removed the permission to close the chat, bro.
I want to
Every
kill
picture's gonna have
myself.
a chat
Dude,
in
I
it.
feel like a
Bro, look at
slave.
the
I
sky.
feel like
the sky on non-sub screen share.
Oh my
what?
god,
Dude,
dude.
I feel like a slave, bro. I don't have rights or anything. I feel like a
You
black
see the
woman.
sky on non-sub screen share?
Oh.
Hi, chat. You get to read my words now.
I feel like
Okay.
a black woman.
Okay,
in the
let's go, let's go,
1800s,
let's go,
bro.
let's
I
get
don't
this
have
over
rights
done
or
with.
anything.
Let's
I'm
get this
going
over and done
piss,
with.
okay?
You're going to piss.
I will beat the shit out of you. No, you're not.
Log on.
Is he? Is he actually going to piss?
He is.
I might actually go to piss as well.
I'm beating his ass at
You know
Smyrna.
what?
I
You
am
know, go take
beating
a
his
piss.
ass at
Okay, Go get
Smyrna.
yourself some tea.
I'm out. I need to make some.
You're
I am-
out?
I'm
Like,
going
I
to
have to go
beat
make
his
some.
ass at Smyrna.
You're out?
Like I have
Oh,
to
that
make
sucks.
more.
I'm actually going to murder him at Smart. He might have too much cushioning, but I'm going to beat his ass.
I saw that.
We all saw that. My entire YouTube channel saw that.
I can't say Congo. What?
Dude, I was trying to say Democratic Republic of the Congo, and it didn't work. And I said, dude, that didn't work. I said, okay, the Congo, and this didn't work. So I said, I can't say Congo, and then it says it.
Alright, I'm back.
Oh,
Okay,
Puff's
good.
back.
Bongos.
I'm pissed.
Hold on.
I
I gotta do this.
insulted you while you were
I had
gone.
all that time where you were peeing, but I didn't do it.
Oh
So
my
That's my
god,
pants.
Mom.
you should just piss yourself.
I did.
What?
Yo, that's crazy. Can we fucking go?
Bro, does my Spotify does not want to work on my phone now?
It doesn't matter. I raw dog the I
Oh
raw dog
my
the flight, so
guys,
I ain't got no
guys.
music.
Guys, I'm flying like this today.
Oh god, he's gonna be flying looking
Oh wait, no,
straight
hold on.
upward.
Damn, I removed it. Hold on.
Oh no, he's gonna FOV himself like 100.
I'm flying like this today, guys.
No, and then zoom all the way out from that.
Oh, what do you mean?
Like
Zoom
use the
out.
scroll wheel zoom out.
Oh, it's removed it. Damn,
In-
never
in
mind.
the
Alright, guys, just go. I'm sorry to distract you. Go.
Anybody else
Smoke.
see his screen go white?
Carl, shut up. Smoke on, off brakes now. Burners ready now. Oh, you know what's funny? I don't have nonstop screen share open either.
Oh, no,
Too busy
okay.
looking at Shuggies. Rotate.
That's what you sound like.
Gear up, flops
Yeah, try
over.
not to
Just
press my
gear.
side wheel.
Just gear.
Shut up, bitch.
Perfect gear. Oh, never mind. You got it.
Yeah, his version of that rudder is to bank
Yeah,
about
my
60
drift
degrees.
Because the rudder makes me slow
gear
down
of working.
incredibly fast. Because
Guys, Twilight Show.
Bro.
I know the burners are bright.
1.5.
Up we go.
Up brakes now.
A little more
1.5
pull. A little more
what?
pull.
Mercy 1.5.
I can't hear you. Sorry.
A
Yeah.
little more
1.5.
Yep.
Ease and power 54.
Go now.
Ease and power 53. Burners ready now. What ease, right?
Oh,
It's sunny now.
this guy.
A little more pull. Ease and power 52.
And y'all didn't turn off your sunrise.
I did.
Coming left.
Oh god, I can't see the ground. Okay, I was about to say I can't see the ground. Okay.
I support
Easy
slavery.
brakes.
Ease and pull.
Using a little more brakes. These are brakes. These are brakes.
Oh
Whenever I
my
see
God,
ease
we're
brakes, first I
nosediving.
go down
Little
0.5.
pull.
Bomb.
so did we add R and V
One more
back?
pull.
Bomb, don't Jeff Goose the entire diamond, please. And thank you.
Yeah, I'm not
right.
the Thunderbirds.
Guys, Rice is
Easy to
adding
make one
R&B
out.
back.
I think you did, bro.
I think it
Feels
might
like
have
he
been.
did.
I got-
No, to be honest with you, it feels like he did. Up we
Why do the
go.
planes all have boners?
A little more pull.
Okay.
A little more pull.
No!
Bro.
Rains, can we just do a freaking Delta flat pass and call it?
Jesus Christ.
Go, let's take off. It's like shit over there.
Mercy.
Oh, run it up.
A little more pull. Ease and power 51.
6%, right?
A little more pull. Ease and power 50. Stand by the board.
60%, right?
Yes, it's 60%!
Okay.
Dude, you've gotta stop!
Ease and a
You
little
did
pull.
it first.
Ease and a little more
can't
pull.
fight.
Ease and a little pull.
Bro, my abs hurt.
Oh,
Oh, this one nuts.
All right, go,
ease and a
Mercy.
little pull. Cross it. Perfect. Look at where the clouds meet the ground, bro.
Blowers off brakes now. Blowers ready now.
Boards up.
I can't. This shit is too funny. Ooh, these birds are pretty.
Coming left.
Dude,
Nice
Bomb's
smoke,
entire
three.
chat is glitched for me.
Nice smoke 3.
His gears, canopy, and flaps are all down.
Tail strike.
Say tail strike to Shugi. I don't think Shugi cares today.
I had a tail strike. The
Yes,
fuck?
you fucking did.
You strike my dick into your
Get
ass.
it clear.
Dude,
Man, I fuck me in my
Yeah, this
butthole.
video is getting demonetized.
it wasn't
Monetized.
monetized ever, bro.
Demonetized. Demonetized.
Demonetized.
Dude, 15 minutes in, I said I supported slavery.
No,
Adding
look at
power
that
I
51.
love it.
This is
Cross
nice.
your little Ford.
I said I felt like a black woman in the 1800s.
Cross
Oh
your little
God.
Ford.
Why would you ever want to be that?
He's in power.
I don't.
He's
That's what it feels like when the king
bankrolling
closes
it
a chat.
out.
The worst thing you could be back in the 1800s is black and a woman, bro.
Oh my
That's
God.
just
worst-
punishment
Adding
on
power
both-
52.
Wombo
That's
combo
punishment on both
downsides.
fronts.
We're buying the car for the Diamond 360.
Rosa Parks.
Nas.
Fucking
Sorry,
hell.
what?
Sure.
Wasn't Rosa Parks
Oh
in the
god, dude, look at
Ow!
there, dude. This is cancer.
It's really annoying to look at.
Adding power
Shuggy.
53.
There,
Let's
you guys.
take it
Hey
in.
guys, how's it going?
I already said it, you fucking Jew.
Coming left. Coming further left.
Rosa Parks.
Then tell Nas to bring it in. Coming further left. No, it's coming further left.
Hey, are you guys like clear yet or like
Martin
nah?
Luther King.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah, nice one, Cross.
I hate Martin Luther King.
Cross is just not. Cross is just not where he's supposed to be.
Martin Luther King did
a
nothing.
wonderful sight.
He did nothing
Was he-
except get us a day off of school.
Dude, he's yapping. He was yapping his mouth too much, bro.
Oh,
The
look
bank
at
is set.
me.
We're in 360.
Martin Luther King.
Smoke. On.
I'm naming historical figures from now on.
All he did was go a day off of school.
He's a little pull.
I mean, it's true.
He's a little muffle.
He did do that.
Cross, you're a little tight still.
Nuh-uh.
Mister, I'm under the wingtip.
Shut it up. I'm perfect.
No, you're not, motherfucker.
Let me know when
I
you're
am.
beam.
A
I haven't
beam.
killed
Let
anyone.
me take a mark.
You have killed him.
Stand by market. Sitting right knife
In his wing,
Merchant in my knife edge from all mark.
Oh, shoot, come late, bro.
Oh, it's black again. I don't like that. 3 1 1.
Non-stop.
I'm matching. Let's go.
About that.
I'm done with this. Diamond, we're doing whatever the hell we want.
Let him back in.
Can I get in there? Can I get in there? Can I get in there?
No, honestly, I don't care. Non-stop.
I get to get in the air after reset my character. Yay.
Perfect. That didn't mean go form up on Shuggy.
Oh.
You sure?
Neither you, Cross.
Shut up. I'm doing my
I
own
get to
thing.
fly the planes. Yeah.
You said I
you're
could do
still gonna-
whatever.
You're still
doing
gonna
whatever.
fly Diamond, but we're doing whatever we want. I don't care.
Dunk.
So can we leave? Oh shit, that's
I'm gonna be honest with you. This rain has pissed me off. I don't care.
I've left.
Okay,
All right, most
That's
productive
it.
17-minute
1986,
recording.
1986, 1986.